The essence of samurai philosophy extends far beyond the romanticized image of the warrior. It is a disciplined approach to life that transforms chaos into clarity. Unlike conventional planning methods, which rely on rigid structures, the samurai's hidden method is rooted in Mushin, no mind, a state of fluid awareness where decisions arise naturally from intuition and training. Modern planning often fails because it over-prioritizes logic while neglecting the subconscious mind's wisdom. The samurai, however, cultivated a harmony between instinct and strategy, allowing them to act decisively in uncertainty. To master your life, you must first empty your mind of preconceptions, then let your deepest understanding guide your plans. Not just lists and deadlines, but an embodied sense of purpose. Traditional samurai strategy was never about brute force. It was about heijoshin, the everyday mind that remains undisturbed even in battle. Most people approach planning with anxiety, rushing to fill calendars without considering the weight of each commitment. The samurai, by contrast, moved with deliberate stillness, understanding that true control comes from mastering attention rather than time. To apply this, practice zanshin, lingering awareness, a state of relaxed alertness where you remain fully present to opportunities and threats. Clear planning is not about doing more, but about doing what aligns with your Bushido, way of the warrior, your personal code. Eliminate distractions not through willpower, but by refining your focus until only the essential remains. One of the most overlooked aspects of samurai philosophy is kaizen, the art of continuous, incremental improvement without attachment to outcome. Modern productivity culture obsesses over results, leading to burnout when plans fail. The samurai trained daily not for victory, but for the integrity of the practice itself. Apply this to planning by treating each day as a dojo, training ground, where the goal is not perfection, but mindful progression. Instead of fixating on a 5-year plan, focus on the next correct move, a concept from swordsmanship where overthinking leads to death. Your life's direction becomes clear when you stop chasing distant futures and instead refine your immediate actions with precision and presence. Another hidden principle is fudoshin, immovable mind, a mental state unshaken by external chaos. Most plans fail because they rely on circumstances remaining stable, a delusion the samurai never entertained. Instead, they embrace yoroi, no metsuke, the gaze of the armor, a perceptual shift where obstacles are not disruptions, but part of the terrain. When planning, do not resist unpredictability. Train for it. Build flexibility into your strategy by always considering multiple paths, Santori no Ho, the threefold method. This way, setbacks become mere adjustments rather than failures. Mastery lies not in avoiding the storm, but in learning to move with it. Finally, the samurai's greatest secret was ikigai, the convergence of purpose, passion, and duty. Most planning systems separate goals into categories: career, health, relationships. But the samurai saw life as a single, integrated battlefield. Your plan should not be a fragmented checklist, but a living expression of your core values. The sword is only as sharp as the mind that wields it. Likewise, your plans are only as strong as the philosophy behind them. To truly master your life, stop managing time and start cultivating toku, virtuous power, the invisible force that aligns action with destiny. The path is not ahead of you. It is within you, waiting to be drawn like a blade.